I'm going to show you how to make Tanghulu. So, what you need is a cup of water, some ice cold water, measuring cup thing. I don't know, I don't cook. Sugar, a little pot, some fruit, a plate, a knife, a straw, a chopstick, and a skewer. So, let's just start. What you need to do first is, you see these strawberries, just remove the leaves or whatever, and then there's like the stem thing. That's what the straw is for. You just poke it right under and then it'll go out. I don't know any other way to do this. Oh shoot. I don't know any other way of doing this. Oh, I missed. I missed. God damn it! Okay. How did I miss? I need a stronger straw too. I missed again! No. Where's the knife? Yeah, you like that? One strawberry down. Another one to freaking go. Great. Oh yes, this one I actually got it. Alright, now the strawberries are done. Now that the strawberries are done, you need to cut up your banana. So that's what the knife is for. It's pretty sick, I guess. I'll put the ingredients in the description down below. Yeah. So. And one more banana. Now we cut it. Let's cut it. Okay. Oh, wrong way. So, 1, 2, 3, 4 cuts. Easy as that. Now we have, separate, dude, separate. Alright, now we have 5 bananas and 2 strawberries. You can use anything you want. You know, you can, like, I don't know, you can dip anything in here. We're just basically making, like, some sort of syrup or something. But, yep, now the bananas are cut. Now that fruit preparation is already done, we have a pot here. There we go. Now, this is what you need to do. I'm gonna have to set the camera down. Okay, so you need a cup of water. So let me just... Okay, I actually got the perfect amount. Oops, some spilled off. I need a little more. Wait, was I supposed to put sugar first? Okay, I'm pretty sure you're supposed to put the sugar first. So, let's just, here's my sugar. It's a giant big dungy. And there's a spoon in here, and... Okay. Now we just need to get the sugar. 2 cups of sugar. Just 2 cups. Just... There's a faster way of doing this. Keep going. Keep going. Okay. That's around 2. I don't know. I mean 1. There's 1. go in. Okay, that's like more like 1 3/4, but whatever, 2. Alright. Now what you need, I need that. Actually no, this is about 1 cup of water right here. I measure it, so now you just put the water in. And oh, my phone is hot because I rested on this. Oh. Put that sugar back. Oh, I got sugar everywhere. There we go. Put this somewhere else. Screw that. And now you just want to turn it on high heat. There we go. And do not stir, okay? I'm telling you, do not stir. Just let the sugar melt. And it might take a couple minutes, maybe 15, I don't know. But you know when it's ready. I'll show you how you know. This is Vietnamese style. Vietnamese style dancing, yo! Okay, it's starting to bubble up. That's actually pretty sick. This is how you test it. You dip something in there, and then you dip it in cold water. And then you just put it in your mouth, and if you hear a crunch, then it means it's good. And I did not hear any crunch. So that means that it is not good yet. I suck at recording. God damn it. Holy. Is it good yet? Nope. Okay, holy crap. Stay away from the pot, you know, just in case if this bubbles up and then it hits your eye or something. But, okay, so part of it is ready when it starts turning into like color, into like kind of a brown color, you know, light brown. That almost looks like it. Consistency is still watery, I gotta say, so more waiting. Almost ready. It still tastes. It's just sugar, dude.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head.
There's a lot of waiting in this. You know, before I was making this video, I thought, what happens if I drop my phone inside the pot? No, I'm just kidding. I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, waiting. I'll be right back when it's crunchy. Okay, it took a while, but see, it's the consistency put in here. See that? That means that it is ready. All right. Turn the stove off. Chopstick away. It's hot as hell. Holy crap. Okay, so it is actually currently ready. Yeah. Awesome. Let's dip these vegetables into. Oh my god. Alright, let's just start off with a strawberry. A strawberry. Dip it any way you want. I'm just gonna go from the side. Alright, please don't kill me. Okay, it's gonna kill me. It's gonna kill me.
First things first, I'ma say all the words inside my head. I'm fired up and tired of the way.
Let's just let it settle down, but don't let it settle down too long or it's gonna harden itself. Okay, so just set it off to the side and then you can dip it in. Okay, going in. Ooh, it's literally making the strawberry really hot. So it's gonna cold water. Oh! Look at that. I'm gonna dip it a little more into cold water. Look at that, it hardened. Look at that, that's so sick. Shoot, got water everywhere. Okay, that's number uno done. Now number dos, number how. Yo, this is amazing. All the hate that you've heard has turned your spirit to a dough. Oh, ooh, your spirit up above. Oh, hey, you made me a believer. Hey, I let the bullets fly, I let them rain. Go in. My life, my love, my God, they keep go. You hear that? Damn it. Okay. Now we need some hot bananas. So I'm just gonna time lapse this next one. Oh crap! A banana is stuck in the bottom of. Oh yes, what? How is that even possible? I just stabbed in and I stabbed perfectly through the hole that I already stabbed in. How is that possible? Okay, let's eat. You see, guys? You hear that? It's hardened, so let me just give a nice swack on it. See, it's kind of cracked now. Ooh. Shoot, the shell fell off. No. Whatever, let's just taste one, whatever. Ooh. Damn shell. The shell's coming off. It's just safe to touch it with my hand. It is. Whatever, screw a fork. Damn it, it's stuck. You can see, guys? Look at that. Ow. It's really good. Good. Strawberry. Okay, strawberry time. There's a little hole in it. Okay, let's go. It's so hard, dude. It's very good though. Of course it is. It's just sugar. Now I'm pretty sure you can put these in the fridge and you can save it for like dinner or something like that. God damn. Oh! That part was a little sour. Look at those shells, dude. Holy crap. It was super. Duck. Okay, okay. Yeah, this is turning into a mukbang. Okay. Just saying before, when you eat it, it's kind of sharp too. Holy crap, it's getting harder by the second. Be careful, okay, because it can be sharp. I'm spilling this out. Okay, see you guys later. It's so hard. It's harder than on my teeth. It's gonna be stuck to my tooth forever. Okay, cue outro.